Hi, good morning friends. This is Naga S. Ramat. I am working as Assistant Professor in CSC Department in MS Engineering College. The main objective of this video is I am going to explain what is NOR gate, what is the operation of NOR gate and why it is called as universal gate. After that, I am going to simulate NOR gate using the Verilog program with the help of Xilinx software. Come friends, we will see what is NOR gate. So here I consider the two input NOR gate. This is the symbol of NOR gate. It has two input. A is the input variable, B is also input variable. The output variable is I represented as Y. The main operation of this is addition of input A plus B and complement over it. So A plus B complement. Here the output variable I consider as Y, and the main operation of this NOR gate is the addition of input variables A plus B whole complement. So that is addition of the inputs and over the complement. So that is the main operation of NOR gate. Now we'll see what is the truth table of NOR gate for two input variables. Here if you consider two variables, so 2 to the power of 2 will get four combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. If you give the input values for the first combinations, A is 0, B is 0. So addition of A plus B, that is 0 plus 0, 0 and complement over it. So over the complement for 0 is 1. Okay. Next combination 0 plus 1. So 1, complement of 1 will be 0. The next combination 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0. In the last combination, A is 1, B is 1. The 1 plus 1. In binary addition, you will get 0. Okay. But in the addition of this 1 plus 1, in the logic operation, for OR gate, you observe 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay. So for that 1, we have to take the complement. It will be 0. So from this truth table, you can observe in the except first combination, in another combination, second, third, fourth combination, if one of the input is high, the output is low, otherwise it is high. See, if one of the input is high, then output is low, otherwise it is high. So this is the general definition of NOR gate. If one of the input is high, the output is low, otherwise it is high. Okay. Now we'll see what is the Verilog program for the NOR gate. Starts with module, then module name I given as NOR gate. The constraints, that is input and output variables A comma B comma Y ended with semicolon. Then we have to separate these constraints with respect to input and output. So input are A comma B, it's ended with semicolon, output Y end with semicolon. Then main operation, that is addition, then over the complement. So assign Y equals to the negation of, in the bracket, A or B. First addition will be takes place between the input variables A or B, that is A vertical bar with B, so it will takes A plus B. Then for whole A plus B you have to take the complement, so that is the tilde operation, tilde A in the bracket A or B, so that will be assigned to the output variable Y. So this is the main NOR gate operation. Then end with end module. I hope you understood this Verilog program. Please like my channel and please share it to your friends also. Now we'll execute the Verilog program with the help of Xilinx software. So just double click on the Xilinx software. Just press OK here. Now here go to File, under File select New Project. So you have to create the new project name. So project name I will give it as NOR gate. So with respect to the file name, and here the location will be created, in that your file name will be saved. Press next, press next, press finish. Once we created the project, go under project, select new source. Here select Verilog module, give the Verilog model name. I will give it as NOR gate. If you want, you can change the file name with respect to your project. Here I will give the file name for the Verilog model as NOR gate. Press next, press next, press finish. So once if you created the project name as well as Verilog module name, the syntax of your Verilog program will be generated in the text of window. So here you have to write the program. So as I explained already, the logic of the program, just I will copy that program logic and I will paste it in the program window. So here in the constraints, a comma b comma y. So after writing the program, just save it. Here you have the save button. Then select the implementation. Under implementation, select your file name, that is Norgate. Once it is selected Norgate, so go under synthesize. Here double click on check syntax. So it verifies the syntax of your program. Okay, if it is correct, you will get the right mark. Otherwise, you will get cross mark. So then you can just press here errors. You will get the errors list. That errors you can eliminate. Okay. So you got the right mark. So there is no errors in your program. Then if you want to see the schematic of your program, just double click on this view RTL schematic. So it gives the schematic representation, nothing but, so whatever you wrote the program logic, the input and output variables and main logic of the program, with respect to that general syntax design will be generated. Okay, so earlier we without writing the program, we are writing the design of the operation. So that design will be generated with respect to your program. So that is the advantage of the programming. So you can generate, you can design the schematic with respect to your program analysis. So here the Norgate model name, and it has two inputs A, B, output is Y. You just double click on this, you will get the internal structure of that schematic. See, we have OR gate, then NOT gate. So that is addition of inputs, that by the help of OR gate, then it is the complement of that output. So we will get the NOR gate operation. Okay, now we will see the simulation of our program. Just select the simulation here, then select your file name Norgate, go under iSim simulator, double click on behavioral check syntax, then double click on simulate behavioral model. So it will open the output window for the waveforms. So there, if you give the input variable values, so you can get the waveform properly. So here we have the variables A, B and Y. So I will give the A value, right click, force constant. So I will give the A value is 0 and I will give the time elapsed 2 picosecond, apply, OK. Then B value, I will give force constant as 0 and 2 picoseconds, apply, OK. Just press run button here, so you will get the output waveforms. Here A is 0, B is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 and complement of that 0 will be 1. So you can observe in the binary value also 0 0 1. You can observe the digital value, binary value also 0 plus 0 0 and complement of that will be 1. Now second combination, I will give A is 0 and 2 picosecond of the time elapse and OK. Then B value, force constant, I will give it as 1 and time elapse 2, apply, OK. Then press the run button. See here in the second combination, A is 0, B is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and complement of 1 will be 0. So that binary value also you can see 0 1 0. And third combination, force constant, I will give A is 1, so this time elapse 2, apply, OK. And B value, force constant, I will give B is 0 and time elapse 2 picosecond, apply, OK. Then press run button. In the third combination, you can see A is 1, B is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, the complement of 1 will be 0. So you can see the binary also 1 plus 0 0, sorry 1 plus 0 is 1 and output will be 0, complement of 1 will be 0. The last combination, I'll give A is also 1, B is also 1. A is 1 and time elapsed 2 picosecond. Apply. Okay. And B force constant. B also 1. Time elapsed 2. Apply. Okay. Then press the run button here. So once we press the run button, in the last combination, A is 1, B is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 in the OR gate operation, then complement of 1 will be 0. So we observed all the 4 combinations for the NOR gate. We got, if one of the input is high, the output will be low. So that is the main definition of NOR gate. This NOR gate is called as universal gate because we can form all the basic gates, that is NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate and XOR gate by using this NOR gate. So that is the reason you observed in the schematic of NOR gate, it contains OR and NOT. So that is NOR gate is generated by OR plus NOT. So by using basic gates. Okay, thank you. If you like, please like it and share to your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.